Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down in order to find password and security. Now we have to enter system security and then scroll down to find credential storage. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got the proper information. What is more, this option is inactive, and it simply means that we just successfully reset all certificates, simply removed them. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.